Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need to verify an iCloud backup exists and pick the right path. First, sign into your Apple ID on the device and go to Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Manage Storage, right arrow Backups. Check the backup date so you know it contains the missing photos. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and connected to power. Once done, decide whether to download photos from iCloud.com for quick retrieval or proceed with a full device restore if those images live only inside the backup. If you can access the photos on iCloud.com, open Photos, select the items, and download originals directly to a computer. This preserves metadata and avoids erasing your device. If the images are only inside an iCloud backup, erase the device and during setup choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with the same Apple ID, pick the backup with the right date, and remain on Wi-Fi until the restore finishes. Make sure apps and photos finish syncing before inspecting recovered images. Once the restore completes, open Photos and allow it time to rebuild thumbnails and download originals. Large libraries can take hours. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled if you expect syncing. Also check the recently deleted album for recoverable items. If images still don't appear, confirm the backup contents in iCloud settings or on iCloud.com. Corrupted or incomplete backups may require contacting Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: do not make new backups before verifying recovered photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.